In 2025, having a strong online presence is essential for any business, and your Google business profile plays a crucial role in attracting local customers and building credibility. Whether you run a small shop, a freelance service, or a larger business, optimizing your Google business profile can make a big difference in how potential customers discover and engage with you. In this video, we'll share actionable tips to help you get the most out of your Google business profile in 2025. The first tip is to ensure your profile is complete and accurate. Include your business name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, and a detailed description of your products or services. High-quality photos and videos of your business, team, or products help your profile stand out and make a positive impression on potential customers. A complete and visually appealing profile builds trust and encourages engagement. Next, keep your information up to date. Even minor changes such as adjusted hours, a new phone number, or a website update can affect how customers find you. Google favors profiles that are accurate and actively maintained, so regularly reviewing and updating your information is essential to maintain visibility in search results and maps. Another important tip is to utilize posts and updates. Google Business Profile allows you to share promotions, announcements, events, or new products directly on your listing. Posting consistently shows that your business is active, engaged, and ready to serve customers. These updates can improve online visibility and encourage more interactions with your profile. Manage and respond to reviews effectively. Customer reviews are vital for building credibility and attracting new clients. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews and make it a habit to respond to them professionally. Addressing negative feedback with understanding and solutions shows potential customers that you care about their experience and are committed to quality service. Another tip is to leverage the Q&A section. Many customers check this section to find answers to common questions about your products or services. Proactively answering questions or quickly responding to new inquiries can enhance customer satisfaction and reduce confusion. Finally, monitor insights and analytics. Google Business Profile provides valuable data, including how customers find your profile, what actions they take, and which features they engage with the most. Analyzing this data helps you make informed decisions, refine your marketing strategies, and optimize your profile to attract even more customers. By implementing these tips, your Google Business Profile can become a powerful tool for growing your visibility, building trust, and engaging with customers effectively in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and business tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Optimize your Google Business Profile today and watch your local presence and customer engagement grow.